Hey guys, welcome back to Motoramblings, where I ride a 2010 Honda Goldwing and a 2012 Suzuki V-Strom. And I vlog, just talk about random stuff as I'm riding around. This video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not actually on the bike doing a vlog, but I'm going to let the video start here.
G'day, this is Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides from Melbourne, Australia. I'm riding my trusty V-Strom 650 and you're watching Motoramblings.
With the first time that I took the Goldwing out from home. Of course, I had bought it, picked it up, rode the long way home that day when I bought it. And I parked it in my shed out back because I didn't have a door in the garage yet. And as I was leaving, I came across the front yard and it was kind of wet and soggy and back tire slid out on me a little bit. I didn't drop it, thank goodness, but yeah, that was my first experience on the Goldwing this time around. So here's that video. I'll let it run. I even put it in slow motion just a little bit so you can see. Mainly if you just look at the handlebars, you see how much I had to twist them just to keep the bike straight. But the back end slid out, I don't know, maybe a foot in one direction. So anyway, from there, the video is going to go on to a little bit of riding on that day, and then the rest of the video is going to be just some rides that I've taken on the Goldwing over the course of the summer that I either put a little bit on YouTube or I didn't put it on YouTube at all, and I thought I'll just put that out there. You can see the roads and some of the scenery that I was riding this past summer. The reason I'm having to do it like this is just over 8 weeks ago on December 16th, just before Christmas, I was at work and I fell down some steps. I was going down the steps and I just slipped off the brand new wood, hadn't been stained or painted or anything. It was raining and I lost my footing. And when I did, I went down the rest of the steps on my back. And as with the post office, you know, we've got all these rules and regulations that we're supposed to follow. So I called them, told them I fell. I got back to the office, told them I had to go to the doctor. The doctor looked at me and said, yeah, you got something going on here. And that, because it was right before Christmas, they had me come back the Monday after Christmas. So 12 days later, I went back to this urgent care, which is what we're required to do once a week. We're supposed to go to them, keep the paperwork flowing, keep the Department of Labor in the know about, you know, what's going on with my back. Backtracking a tiny bit, when I went back on the 28th, I realized, or they told me, that the case was closed, that the Department of Labor closed it down. Of course, I was still out of work. I was still in severe pain. That first day when I was waiting at the doctor's, I actually got very nauseous because the pain was so bad. Come to find out, the Department of Labor closed the case because they read one line that they said to them made it look like it wasn't such a severe injury, even though the line right under it said cannot work and needed to see an orthopedic. Long story short, 8 weeks later, I still haven't seen an orthopedic. I have like 7 pages of notes where I've been calling many different people, many different offices, you know, the Department of Labor contact, the boss, the nurses, the orthopedics, myself. It's just a big convoluted mess. So anyway, I'm wearing this brace here. I call it my girdle, and I've been wearing it since I got hurt. I did finally get to an MRI a week ago, so 7 weeks after the injury, and it turns out I broke my back. I have multiple fractures in my lower back that, of course, have started to heal at this point. Don't know how that healing process is going to work out now, being that I haven't seen any physical therapy. I haven't seen the orthopedic. I don't know if it's healing correctly. I won't know until I actually get to the doctor. I'm not in a lot of pain most of the time. I do have to shift around a lot. I can sit in front of the computer for 30 minutes. I can sit in front of the TV for an hour. I can stand for 30 minutes before pain starts making it uncomfortable enough that I have to move. I can lay in the bed as long as I've got my knees up for about an hour. So what I try to do is make sure I fall asleep in that hour. And then I'm not sleeping well, as you might imagine. I'm in pain. You know, pain wakes me up. But I'm not here to whine about all that. I'm here to explain to you why I'm doing the video this way. You've seen by now on the video, you've seen where the first day I took the bike out, the Goldwing out, I nearly lost it in the mud just before I got on the road. And that first ride out of the driveway was pretty rough. So after that, I put in doors in my garage so that I didn't have to put it in the shed out back and I could just drive out the driveway. I need to do some videos like this for a little bit because I don't have any more content recorded because I've not been on the bikes since December 12th. Now I still have several V-Strom vlogs that I've already got completed, edited, ready to go, and I may put a couple of them on Saturdays, starting next Saturday. But today I wanted to explain to you why you're not going to see me actually vlogging from the motorcycle. Why on a Saturday I don't have the Goldwing out and I'm not riding it at the moment. Hopefully I will get to the orthopedic. Hopefully they will do whatever it is they do, whether it's physical therapy, surgeries, or whatever, to get me to where I can ride again. At this moment, I'm not terribly concerned that they're going to say that I can't ever ride. I know it's a possibility, but I think it's remote at this point. I think that they'll probably get me back to work and get me to where I can ride the bikes again. It's just, at this point, I don't know how long it's going to take. So for now, I'm making this video today to explain that and to have a little bit of Goldwing footage. What you're watching is from the GoPro Hero 7 on the mirror. I'm going to try to put some stuff in there. Actually, no, I'm going to leave this video the way it is. It's mostly going to be from the Hero 7. I think it's going to be a little bit other stuff. It's just me riding during the summer. Some of the neat roads, some of the scenery. The bear, which was pretty cool, by the way. And next Saturday, I may put in either a V-Strom vlog. I have a couple that I really wasn't sure I was going to put out there, but I may just plug them into a Saturday. Or I may try to do a mail call if I get any mail between now and then. Put that on a Saturday. Or maybe I can even come up with something interesting on the Goldwing that I haven't put out there previously. Over narration of video of just riding. Not going to hear any outside sounds, not going to hear any wind noise, none of that stuff. And so that's what's going on here in the world of Moto Ramblings. Hopefully things will improve to where I can actually start riding again. But until then, I will continue to put something out. It just may not be what you're used to. So thank you for sticking with me today. Thank you for sticking with me in the future. And hopefully I will have some good content for you. This spring and summer, assuming I will be riding again, plan on doing things a little bit different. I'm going to try to do a little bit more of me off the bike. Yeah, you'll be seeing my ugly mug just a little bit more. I really enjoy the videos where people like Amanda Zitto and many others, they vlog while they're riding, but they also do, or Amanda doesn't vlog while she's riding, but she does a great job with the way she does it. Check her out. It's As the Magpie Flies. But anyway, people do vlogging / off the bike stuff. And I really want to start doing more of the off the bike stuff because I think it takes away some of the boredom of just a ride. I think at one point I saw that people don't watch videos for more than 3 or 4 minutes, depending on what it is, obviously. But I'm thinking if I can do stuff off the bike, maybe explain a little bit about where I am, especially being that I live in this beautiful area, and just do a little bit more of me. Wow, that doesn't even sound right. So, sitting here in front of the camera and talking to you and telling you that I'm going to do more videos of me because I think it'll be more interesting, it doesn't sound right. I tell you, it's kind of crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna try it for a few videos, and you'll have to let me know what you think. Do you want me to go back to where you can't see my ugly mug? Just stick with the riding. But anyway, I will let you go now. I just wanted to kind of explain what's going on over here in the world of Moto Ramblings, and try to do some mail calls, try to maybe ship some videos around, but I'm going to try to keep the content coming for y'all until I can get back out there and start riding again. If anybody wants to come by and wash my bikes for me, you're more than welcome to. You know, I'm just saying. So send me some stickers or something. At least I can do a mail call to have some content. All right, y'all. I will talk to you later. I hope everyone can stay well, stay safe, most of all, stay happy. Motor Ramblings out.